Yeah. Yeah. So how's it feel? Can you feel it?
What's going on, guys? Side Hustle here. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean out any sort of bottle. If you got some sticky stuff or just some stuff that won't come out of your bottle, you tried running some water through it and it just won't come out. I'll show you guys how to get that out of there. So first thing you're going to need is some screws. I'm using screws. You can use ball bearings, marbles, anything that's hard and you have a lot of them that'll fit in the bottle. First thing you're gonna do is fill your bottle up with some water, like so. Add a little bit of soap, like so you can get some reactions going with that goop in the bottom. Then you're gonna fill up your bottle with whatever you got, whether it be ball bearings or screws or anything you got. Fill it up a decent amount. You don't need to fill the entire thing, just enough, just like that. And then you're gonna shake it like you're making a milkshake or something. Shake it in a circular motion, get all those things going. And then once you're done shaking it, once you're satisfied, empty out your stuff onto that and empty your bottle out, and voila, it's clean. Alright, thank you guys.
They ask me how I feel, I say amazing. I feel amazing. So many things that I've created, but this right here might be my favorite.